Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2016 Land Rover Range Rover Evoque 2.0 TD4 SE Tech Auto 4WD, a premium compact SUV that blends luxury, capability, and cutting-edge technology. Finished in Fuji White with a black leather interior, it delivers an exceptional driving experience. From the side, the 18-inch alloy wheels, contrast black roof and mirror caps, and dynamic body lines enhance its sporty yet elegant presence. Electric folding mirrors provide added convenience. At the rear, the Evoque showcases sleek LED taillights, a subtle roof spoiler, and integrated rear parking sensors, ensuring effortless maneuverability and a premium aesthetic. Powered by a 2.0-liter TD4 diesel engine, the Evoque SE Tech delivers strong performance with excellent efficiency. The automatic transmission and 4WD system provide confident handling in all driving conditions. Step inside to experience a black leather interior with 8-way electric front seats and heated front seats for ultimate comfort. The cabin is equipped with a high-resolution touchscreen, Bluetooth connectivity, DAB radio, navigation system, and dual-zone climate control for a connected and refined driving experience. The spacious rear seats provide ample legroom and comfort for passengers, making long journeys more enjoyable. Split-folding rear seats add versatility for carrying larger cargo. With a generous boot capacity, the Evoque SE Tech offers plenty of storage space for luggage, shopping, or weekend adventures. The wide opening ensures easy loading and unloading. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629, quote registration AU66DZS to book a test drive or request a video tour.